Hi, and today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to remove the page break on the Google Docs website. So first of all, of course, all you need to do, just go and open whatever browser you are currently using. So here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course in your case, you can use any other browser like you're working with in your PC. So once you open this, you will find yourself here. Of course, go to the URL section and just type Google Docs, hit the enter button, which will take you into this page. From here, just go to the first link, and of course, make sure to avoid any advertisements or ad links and click on the first link for you if it's not an ad. So once you do that, you'll find yourself here in this page. Of course, if you didn't find yourself in this page, make sure to go and check for another link. So once you are here, you will be able to sign in into your account if you already have one at the top right corner option. But if you don't have an account, as you can see here, you'll be able to sign up for free. Of course, if you have a Google account already linked into your browser, those two options will be pretty simple and easy, and that will prevent you from doing all the boring steps of creating or even logging in into your account. So once you did one of these options, you'll find yourself here with this homepage or this main screen on the Google Docs website. And of course, from here, you will be able to create a blank project, choose one of the templates and start working on it, or you can just go and open some of recent documents if you have one. For me, let me just go and open this. It's empty anyway. And as we said in the beginning of the video, we would like to remove the page break on the Google Docs. So first of all, we don't have any page break here. So let me just add one. Click add edit. And of course here, or sorry, it's not edit, it's insert. So once I am here, and now go here, break, and click at page break. As you can see, that's created another page for me. So of course, if I want to remove this page, simply you can of course click at Control Z if you want, or you can just go okay, it's deleted, so let me just go and create another one. So or you can just go, if you're like writing something here, just hit the backspace. As you can see, just keep hitting it and it will be removed by its own. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.